everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be transforming myself into Shego from Kim Possible. I don't know if you guys remember that show, but I love that show so much. I love all the characters in it, especially Shego and Kim. So I thought it'd be fun to do this. I had this outfit made like 4 or 5 years ago now, and I haven't really done much with it yet just because I usually have a bunch of outfits made for Comic-Con when I go, and sometimes I have an extra one or something, so this was one of my extra ones. So I'm going to start with primer. Alright, so we are primed. Next, I'm going to be using the Manic Dreamtone foundation, just because she is very, very pale, and by pale I mean white. So I will be using this super white foundation for this look. I'm going to do one more coat, just because this is kind of thin. Alrighty, nice and pale. Next, I am going to contour a little bit. I'm going to take this flat brush and just blend it in. Okay, now I am going to take some powder, just put all over it. Okay, so I just put powder all over my face. I used the All About Matte Translucent powder, super white. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of white highlight just to give a little extra paleness and shine. Because why not? Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I do not have black eyeshadow down here, so I'm just using the lipstick in my eyebrows to make them more black. Nice and black. Alrighty guys, so my eyebrows are both on now. They're nice and black. And now I'm just gonna go over that contour I did with some powder. Next, I am going to actually take this super white shade in this palette and put it on my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go into my crease with just a tiny, tiny bit of this brown color here with a little blending brush. Then I'm going to take this little shimmery shade here. I'm just going to put it on the lid for just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of color. Next, I'm going to do some white eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye. Next, so I'm going to use some eyeliner. Alright, wings are on. Next I'm going to do mascara. Mascara is on. Next I'm going to use some lip liner. God, lips up. Do you mind? Every video. What is up with you? Okay, back to lining. Right, so I just got done lining my upper lip. Now I'm going to go in with black lipstick. Not what I want. Okay, we're going to take a lip brush and just kind of shape this a little bit better. Alright, lips, well, half the lips are on. Next, we're going to glue on some eyelashes. What are you doing? This child of mine is psycho. Psycho kitty. Alright guys, so this is the final look for Shego. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video, please leave a comment and a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Shego out.